What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'll be showing you guys how to fix threaded screw holes. So it's a very common problem. So as you can tell, none of the screws are biting. By the looks of it, someone's already played with this before, so I'm going to show you guys how to fix that now. First thing, remove the old screws. Nice long screw in this one. So as you can see, someone's obviously tried to fix it. You've got a couple long screws and short screws in here. Now, usually the easiest way to fix this is to simply put in a bigger screw that will allow it to bite onto the timber. However, sometimes when people have played with it as many times as they have with this, the screw holes are completely threaded. Now, I've got 8 gauge screws that have also won't bite in this, so I'm going to show you a quick way how to fix it. I've seen a lot of people online showing you guys how to fill it up with golf tees, toothpicks, matches, pretty much anything they can get their hands on. A lot of people have been very creative. I'm going to show you the easiest and simplest way to do that, and that's simply by using wall plugs. So just your basic wall plugs. I don't know why people go through all the effort of using matchsticks and whatever else they can find. Wall plugs will do the trick perfectly, as they're specifically designed to hold on to the outside. So all you want to do is simply push them through the hole as far as they'll go. We don't want to cause any more damage than there already is. So push those through as far as you can get them. If they go all the way, that's great. If not, we'll be cutting them off as they are right now. So simply get a little utility knife and you can cut those flush with the door. Just like that. And now they're ready to be screwed in. So as you can see, I'm using much shorter screws than they originally had, and that's all that we'll need to fix this problem. So this is the same process regardless of what door you have. Screw it straight back into the hole and you can see instantly starting to bite. And there you have it, guys. That's how to fix your threaded screw holes. If there's anything else you guys want to learn how to do in or around your house, don't forget to put it in the comment section below. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.